Hello again, Ian Sticky with Mastermind Games, and going back to Warhammer Quest Blackstone Fortress with the Ur-Ghuls. So this came with 4 of these guys. I'm just going to do one of them on camera. They'll all have identical paint schemes, and I'm going to be experimenting. So, Ghost White 09063. So the Ur-Ghuls are part of the Drakari faction, or Dark Eldar, and they're a creature native to the webway that the all Eldar use to traverse the galaxy, and are, well, ruthless, merciless predators. They have no eyes, but have keen senses of smell, and apparently hearing, according to what little is in the books on them. At least the books that came with Blackstone Fortress. So, yeah, this I only need to do 1 coat of this. Looks like this is just a sort of pale blue-gray more than a white. And I'm getting a little rattled right this minute, but I am going to be experimenting if I haven't said that already. I'm picking these guys next because I want to do something that would be fairly simple to handle. I'm not going to try too hard to do a complete official thing, so this is more inspired by it because I can't really think of a better idea. So, the little nippers do look good in white, though. I got one of the simpler behavior charts, but they are also best dealt with at range, but I believe they get defensive bonuses against ranged attacks at a certain range. I think that just counts as cover or something. I'd have to double check exactly, but again. So there's the one. I'll get the rest and move on. Oh my. Okay, had a little glitch there. We'll see what happens. Breonne Blue 09055. Again, I'm just going to shade one of these guys, at least on camera. There's going to be 2 layers of shading, this one over the whole of it. The second one's going to be more selective. Let's see how this turns out. This should work well based on how it's gone so far. Won't be an exact, excuse me, won't be an exact match for what's in the little book, but pretty close. Excuse me. Yeah, might have my speakers turned up a bit too much. It's causing that funky feedback there, but it'll be all right. Not too shabby at all so far. We'll should be okay when it dries. So get the rest, move on in a second. Huh? Oh, almost took out my camera there. Okay, so before I do the next layer of shading, a few details. Blood red 09003. This will need to be done before highlighting. So this is going to go inside the mouths of any have a exposed tongue or other otherwise have their mouths open. Now that the first shade that's going over all of it is dry. Okay, closed mouth, open mouth. You know what, I'm going to put this in their scent pits or nostrils as well. Looks like they do actually have 5 nostrils. Boy. They'd have a sense of smell like theirs around the Death Guard. Especially after raiding the Lords of Silence. Then Pure White 09039. I am going to go ahead and just get all these guys here real quick. Just because it'll mean fewer cuts I have to make. Now the last shade, Amethyst Purple 09024. This is just going to be selectively put on the hands. Maybe thin out a little more than typical, so. I'm just going to go partially up the forearm. Again, attempting to mimic what is in the gallery in the book, so we'll call that good and get the rest of the guys and move on in a minute. Okay. Ashen Blue 09057. And this is going to be the highlight. May not have chosen the best brush for this. Let's try a different guy and a different brush. That didn't work out too good. Okay, let's try again. This way I'm going to end up highlighting the whole thing on camera. Or maybe it's just that this is more subtle than I think it is. Oh, well, I've come this far, I may as well just finish the last one. Well, there's one detail I'm going to do. I'm going to be showing off a technique I haven't shown before. Just need a feathered brush. Test, test, test. Huh. Okay, that was weird. So, Cyan Blue 09117. Somehow that all conked out. I don't know what happened. So I'm going to dab my brush into it and dab it a bit. I'm going to put some, just going to stab straight down. Not quite. Dry brushing, but doing some patterns on the upper shoulders because it looks like there's some kind of pattern on the shoulders and back here, so just a few quick dabs. And now a flathead brush and some pure black 09037. I'm hoping that ends up being enough and just conked my camera. Fun. Right. Just find the base there. And let that dry completely before adding basing material. Okay, let's get the basing material on. Hopefully the camera decides not to conk out on me like it did during that last segment. That was weird. So white glue. And water. That's all you need. Brush is more or less going to be a sacrifice. Mix it all up. I'm using rock debris or talus, a mix of fine, medium, and coarse. And I'll just do this on one of them and take care of the rest off camera. Carefully painting around the feet. give it a dip in the material. And then taking a separate dried brush, just dust it away from the areas you don't want it on, the feet and toes, because this will end up, despite best intentions, in places you don't want it. Alright, now take care of the rest off camera, but all that's going to be left, why does this camera keep getting bumped around? Alright, well, take care of the rest off camera. Oh, come on, focus please. Focus. Well, I'm making it worse. Alright. Alright, now that the material's had time to set, going to need a spray or brush on adhesive. This is scenic cement that I use, but I'm sure there's other stuff that'll work just as well. Glass eyedropper, this is a liquid. Just a few drops will be enough. You want it wet, full coverage, but you also want to give your material time to set first, otherwise this will just push it around and make divots in it. Still don't know how I managed to knock out my camera on that last take. This has turned into a strange one. Okay, that's it. Ur-Ghuls from Warhammer Quest Blackstone Fortress. So, this was a quick, easy one. Oh, come on, focus, please. Well, okay then, well, going to continue on with the hostiles from this game, so until next time, I am Ian Stuckey with Mastermind Games, signing out.